everyone! I'm back with another unboxing. So, this is my second unboxing for the day. Earlier, I just unboxed my glossy box. If you guys did not see that unboxing, it was in my last video that I just posted. And I figured, hey, why not let me just bang out 2 videos in one day. So I'm back again, and I'm going to be unboxing what I got for my Ipsy Glam Bag that I got for the month of June. So if you like to see what I got, then stay tuned. Alright, so I already got my Ipsy Ultimate, which I already posted on this video as well. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Ipsy Ultimate, feel free to watch that video. I actually was really surprised. It was my first Ipsy Ultimate box that I finally caved in and decided to subscribe to. And I was surprisingly surprised. I did like a lot of stuff that I got in my box. But let's see what I got for my glam bag. Alright, so this is the bag that we received. My ultimate one was blue and a little bit more bigger, but same type of style. I already said in my ultimate video, I do not like the bags. This bag in particular looks very cheap. At least the ultimate ones look a little bit better, but I'm over the bags. Ipsy, get rid of bags. I want to say that they brought them back because they said people requested them. Who requested these bags? They look so cheap and they don't even fit anything. Maybe if you're like 10 years old and you carry like a lip balm and a little compact mirror. But like for like adults, teenagers, like we carry stuff. We carry like 5 lip glosses. The common consumer has like 4 or 5 different lip glosses, you know, 4 or 5 different eyeliners. Like we have a lot of stuff. So this is like not practical. Well, for me at least. But anyway, just ranting. So, we got another card with no prices on it. Ipsy, Ipsy, Ipsy. You guys are slacking. Last month, you gave these cards with no prices on them, no details on everything on them, and you used to do that. And this month, again, you guys didn't do that. These are the cards that they're giving. It just says ways to maximize your SPF. Like, we didn't need a card for this. You guys can put that maybe on your website, on the app that we log into. But we want to know the prices for everything. So we know you guys are giving us the value that you say you're supposed to. So please take everyone's suggestion and please start giving us the prices because we want to know what everything is. And we want a description of everything. This is the back, and it just says save the date for June 24th when we could pick our product for July. Alright, so the first thing I see in here was my choice. I'm so excited for this. This is an Ofra highlighter in Soho. It comes nicely bubble wrapped so it doesn't break. So let's see here. So I got an Ofra highlighter for the first time in my Allure mega bundle that I got for subscribing for the whole year. And it was like the Nikki Tutorials and Ofra, like the collaboration one. Beautiful, beautiful highlighter. So because of that, I fell in love with their highlighters. Oh my goodness, this highlighter is so stunning. They gave us a choice of 2 different highlighters, but this is the one that I chose. It looks so beautiful. Let me swatch a little on the back of my hand to see how it looks on my skin tone. So that's what it looks like on my skin tone. Now that I'm swatching it, it doesn't look that great, but maybe it looks better on the cheeks. I already have highlighter on, so... Well, let me see. I can put a little bit on top of my highlighter. Let me see. Let me see here. Hold on. I don't want to block you guys so you guys can see, but... Oh, it's very... Woo, it's pigmented. I didn't think it was going to be that pigmented. Oh, it's nice on. It is nice on. If you guys could see. Let me just put my other side on. I don't want to block you guys. Oh my gosh, it's really pigmented. It does look pretty on. It really does look pretty on. I like it. Okay, I spoke too soon. This is the highlighter. I already had highlighter on, but this just gave it like a little bit more pop and a glow. Looking at my screen over here, it looks nice. I'm here for it. You can never have too much highlighter. Whoa, yes, 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 yes. Very pretty. Okay, I changed my mind. See, sometimes you gotta try stuff on to see, because on the back of my hand, I was not feeling it. But on, I'm giving you that soft glow for the summertime. So this is the back of what it looks like and what it's called. Ofra Tally Mara Highlighter in Soho. Highlighter Soho. Alrighty, let's see what else we got here. I can't tell you guys prices or anything like that because, of course, they didn't give us the prices. All right, let's see. And this, like I said, this was my choice that I chose, so very happy with that. The next thing I got is an Annette Lepore body lotion. I love body lotions. I'm always dry, so I'm always here for a lotion. This is what the lotion looks like. I don't know the scent or anything like that because it doesn't say, and I don't want to open anything because I have so much stuff with everything. It does say, this says free gift and 50% off. Use code IPSYNL50. Okay, so let's see what else we got in here. The next thing we got is House of Makeup Long Lasting Nail Lacquer. I did put in my profile that I do not want nail polish because if I do nail polish, it's going to be gel or I'm going to have tips on. So, I don't know if you guys are listening to everyone's profile, Ipsy, because I chose to never have nail polish and I got a nail polish. So this will be going in my giveaway bin. And then this is definitely not my color, not my cup of tea. 9 times out of 10, all my nails are pink or like hot pink or like a French manicure look or natural. But I definitely won't be wearing this color at all. This is not my type of color. But that's what it looks like. Okay, so far only one thing I don't like. I do like lotion and I do like highlighter. So far I'm not mad. The next thing I got is the First Aid Beauty. This is Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. So I'm all about primers and trying different types of primers. So let's give you guys a little look at what it looks like. And I like First Aid beauty products, so 3 for 3. And keep in mind that the Ipsy Glam Bag is only, is it $12? I want to say $12. So you definitely get your money's worth because this is definitely over $12. Well, this including this, but this is the one thing that I don't like. All right, the next thing I got in here is by Dewy Tree. It's the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. What is this? Is this a cleanser? Yes, cleansing foam for sensitive skin. Most likely I'll put this in a giveaway as well because I love my Philosophy cleanser. That's what I use, the Purity Cleanser. I use that practically every day in wipes. So I think I'm going to probably put this in a giveaway. So these two will go into my giveaway bin for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. And that is it. Overall, for $12, I still feel like you still get your money's worth. I'm obsessed with this highlighter. This is going to be like my new jam. Love this highlighter. I'm happy to try the First Aid Beauty primer for mattifying. Very good for summertime. It's going to get hot, so need that mattifying primer. I'm glad to try the body lotion. And these two will go in the giveaway. So that concludes everything that I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag. Not too bad, not too shabby. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. And at the end of the day, like I always tell you guys, it's like a mystery bag. Like you don't know what you're gonna get for everything. And it's just like if you want to get something specific, buy a specific thing you want. But if you're gonna get mad that you got something that you don't like, then mystery bags and beauty subscription boxes are not going to be for you because you're not going to always like everything. If you don't like it, you can give it to your mom, give it to your sister, give it to a friend, save it for a birthday gift, save it for a Christmas gift, save it for a gift. You know, like you can still use it in other ways. I save my stuff for giveaways since I can't use everything anyway. So you can make it work. But at the end of the day, if you love the majority of the stuff out of your mystery boxes or your subscription boxes, then it's a win-win, and you still save so much money from what you would have spent. So in my eyes, that's why I love subscription beauty boxes. So with that being said, this is the end of my video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. I appreciate the support. Thank you guys. I'm almost at 200 subscribers, and I've been on YouTube for only 3 months. So I'm slowly making progress. Thanks again for everyone who has been showing me love and support. You guys are the real MVPs. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing video. Bye.